Example, determine all the complex roots of a third root of 1 and plot their position in the complex plane. Of course, we will have 3 roots for this question. We use this formula to find the complex roots of complex number. Our complex number is 1. Of course, the magnitude is 1. And because this complex number has no imaginary part, so the theta here, the angle theta, is equal with 0. The third root of magnitude complex number multiplied by cosinus 2kp over n plus j sinus 2kp over n, where k is equal with 0, 1, and 2. Our first root is 1 multiplied by cos 0 plus j sin 0 equal with 1. At k equal with 1, we have the root cosinus 2p over 3 plus j sinus 2p per 3. We have cosinus 120 degree plus j sinus 120 degree, and this equal with minus half plus half square root 3j. This is the second root, and at k equal with 2. So we have the root cosinus. The root is equal with cosinus 240 degree plus j sin 240 degree equal with minus half square root 3j. This is our third root. And the position of the complex roots in the complex plane showing in this graphic. This is our first root, this is our second root, and this is our third root. We know that all these complex numbers have magnitude of 1. Another example, determine all the complex root of square root of z. If z equal with 3 plus 4j and plot their position in the complex plane. In this case, we will have 2 roots. Our complex number z equal with 3 plus 4j. If I convert this complex number into polar form, I have the magnitude of z is 5 and the angle of this complex number is 53.13 degree. We calculate our first root at k equal with 0. Our first root is the square root of 5 multiplied by cosinus 53.13 degree plus 0 degree divided by 2 plus j sinus 53.13 degree plus equal with square root of 5 multiplied by 0.89 plus 0.45j. And the result is 1.99 plus j. This is our first root. And the second root we calculate at k equal with 1. We have a square root of 5 multiplied by cosinus 53.13 degree plus, because k equal with 1, plus 360 degree, this divided by 2, plus j sinus 53.13 degree plus 360 degree, this divided by 2. We have square root of 5 multiplied by minus 0.89 minus 0.45j equal with minus 0.99 minus j. This is our second root. And position of those complex roots in the complex plane showing in this graphic. This is our first root and this is our second root. We know it's shown that all those complex roots have magnitude of square root 5.